po and have a good morning po.
Talasik pala. Hindi. Oh, ayan na. Ayan na, oh. Nakikar-kar. Oh, ang galing naman. Ang galing. Nandyan sa carpet ni Nanay Lily, ah.
So we are from St. Peter Group of Companies, Sneaker and Brands, together with the Sneaker Chapter and Contributor. This afternoon represent to you our deepest compassion and with a sincere expression of sympathy to the family, friends, and relatives of Nanay Leticia. So this is a nationwide program sa St. Peter. Free lang din siya. So this is not included sa package na ibayaran ng our partners. So the flow of our citizens is afternoon for the opening prayer, followed by the days of life that have given to her. May His memory live long among us and be a source of strength for us. In the midst of her loss, we feel as we experience the death of one home. Keep us in touch also with the memories which can sustain us. In the morning light, when the world awakes, I see your smile, and my heart just breaks for all the love you've given and all that we share. I promise you, I'll always be there. I'll love you always through the highs as our story grows. No matter what comes, no matter what stays, you're my forever. I'll love you always. Through the trials of life and the dreams we chase, I find through the highs and the lows. In every season, as our story grows. No matter what comes, no matter what stays.
Ako ba, patunan nga isang pinalaga mo o sa lumagdaliwan. Pero wala kami ngayon. Dumating ng call niya sa Ginoo. Kabay man ang imo alag, madiritso sa langit. Dako ng serbisyo mo, hindi lang dali sa mga umuluyo, kundi sa aton Ginoo. At sa mga tao nga nag-undol dili sa amon, madamo din nga salamat sa inyo.
So we put your weary eyes, he whispered peace be thine. God looks around you, God, and down upon the earth, so your precious is there.
Lalagyan pa ng asukal. Manang Harriet.
Diyos ko, kinaplano, buya pa ko dahil.
Dudoy.
Oh, ari gali. Dito na lang ko ano.
Oh, pwede mo kauna ba? Nay, may bukod ka. Baby girl. Oh, ma'am. Baby.
That's why pala ako manood. Ako manood sa imo kay natanaw ko nung last masunda.
Ready. Buwan siya sa iya balay. Di ba wala na daw Up, up. Dili ka. Inainit ako. Muna standard na ng ano yan. St. Kitts. Oh. Up, up. Ando na?
Si Sis, may mo man yan niya.
Yun siya?
Ano no? Yun ang sakyan. Tupad mama ni Vanessa dito.
May ano na siya.
Ang Vanessa.
Ando na sa sakyan. Si Vanessa. Yung mga bulaklak. Malaya ng bulaklak namin. Sige lang bala.
Wala 2,000 fransit.
Sige lang. Silong lang to. Diri lang ta. Lasa ni nga lakat bala. Lasa ng lakat kay Taliti. Bakit? Kalam sa akin, senyor. Kaulo. Hindi ah. Doy, lika na, Doy. Doy. Oo. Bok. Nanay. Nanay. Nanay.
ng Ginoo. Mga tulad kitalawas si Kristo sa isang Espiritu, kinalunigan ang ikatapos sa isang kanalas. Ang pag-inamit sa Ginoo, manginyaga sa dagat. Peace. Kag ang pagpagbalan sa Diyos na magkahon, ang Amay, ang Anak, ang Espiritu Santo, mangyayari sa inyo, kapagpapiling sa sige hapon.
In the morning light, when the world awakes, I see your smile, and my heart just breaks for all the love you've given and all that we share. I promise you I'll always be there. I'll love you always through the highs and the lows, in every season as our story grows. No matter what comes, no matter what stays, you're my forever. I'll love you always. Through the trials of life and the dreams we chase, I find my courage in your warm embrace. With every step we take, together hand in hand, I'll be your rock, your biggest fan. I'll love you always through the highs and the lows, in every season as our story grows. No matter what comes, no matter what stays, you're my forever. I'll love you always. When the stars fade away and the night grows cold, you'll find my love like a story told. In every chapter, in every line, my heart is yours, now and for all time. I'll love you always through the highs and the lows, in every season as our story grows. No matter what comes, no matter what stays, you're my forever. I'll love you always. As we journey on and the years go by, with you, my love, I'll reach for the sky. With every beat of my
Nakaputol ka sa... Buto nga, papapaw. O, dali. Laki ako na matago na yun. Wow! Wow! Laba-laba ba? Wow! Ang tsuraya ka so! Abay mo tayo sa akong bulsa. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Tuduan nyo. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ano lang? Happy birthday to you. Dasig. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, sige na, blue pa, malapit siya nit.
Angat kayo yung kamay niya. O, diba? Ang galing, o. Naangat. Ang galing.
I'll hold you close.